How you going, everybody? Back again. What a day. All right, so all I'm doing tonight is I'm just going through iPhones. But what I'm doing is ignore those, because actually all I'm sticking to is all your XS Max. I've got some 11s. Have I got anything else? I think that's it. XS Max, 11s. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got. So I'm just going through. I'm seeing, kind of mixing parts and chassis, seeing if I can obviously. So you got an XS chassis, and then you've got an X chassis. Can you tell the difference? And then just seeing what's working, what's not working, what's locked, what's not locked, that sort of thing. I've got configurator set up, ready to go. I've also got a PC ready to go of iTunes, so I got everything there ready to go just in case. And then obviously got your power supply to make sure on the wall, just to make sure that we're pulling amps when we plug them into power. Obviously got my heat mat so we can pull the screens up without breaking them. These are all the little things I recommend to have if you are going to start doing batch testing on phones, pads. Probably not Macs as such, but mainly your mobile devices, phones and pads. And the same goes with Samsung, but Samsung, you don't need to have any of this gear. Sorry, you don't need to have configurator. There is a Samsung software, but just been a while since I've used it, so I can't remember what you do with it. But definitely Apple is a bit more in depth than what doing Samsung and other brands are. Apart from, there's one brand there and it just sucks. Actually, a lot of those cheaper brands suck when you're trying to do restoration work on them, or rebuilding them, or restoring them. Some of us so locked down you can't do anything. Yeah, so just a very quick update on where I'm at. What I'll do is tomorrow I'll do a little bit more of an in-depth video on doing this. I'm just trying to get my head back around it again, because it's been at least 3 or 4 years since I've actually done this stuff. So I do apologise. It's a little bit slow off the mark, but I will get back into the swing of it. Probably not going to be something I'm going to get a lot of. I'm just going to kind of get through this stuff that I've got here now, see if I can make some money out of it, and maybe give a little bit of content on stuff. Apart from that, I really don't think I'll be going down the route of buying big numbers of phones and rebuilding them. They're just too finicky. I had one before, and I'll show you here. So here, it actually got wet. Where is it? Right here. So right here got wet, and has actually taken off 2 chips off the board, which is stopping the power switch go, which right there. So they're actually completely shorted out and gone. What can I give you in reference to this? So if you got a I haven't got anything I can give you in reference to this, just so you can see what sort of sizes we're playing with here. Got a coin? Maybe a coin will do it. I've got a coin. Here we go. So you want to see how big. So I know you guys working on laptops, I think you've got it going. Have a look at this. So that's a 10-cent piece. Yeah. So as far as when you're working on phones, you take a motherboard, like, that motherboard is probably the size of a CPU on a computer. So when you put it that way, working on them, it's so cumbersome, and then once again, you don't know if the thing works. So this one, the problem with this one is, because it's the power switch, I can't put it into DFU mode, which means I can't format it to find out if it's locked. So yeah, all good. Have a good night. Have a good afternoon, morning, whatever it is in your area, and I will give you a better update tomorrow. So just a quick update. I didn't have a video to produce, and I'm doing them daily, so I need to give you something, even if it's terrible. So enjoy. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye.